So another critical difference on the seal coat truck here on the rear assembly, the tri-valve assemblies are actually a high flow tri-valve assembly with stainless steel internals. Again, with the abrasiveness of the product, it's just to help get longer life out of that. Another key difference is the nozzles. So we run stainless nozzles on them, and also with the seal coat material, and as bad as it bridges and plugs up nozzles, we really don't recommend anything smaller than a number 4. So if you do need 4s and you don't quite have enough bar pressure, another thing you can do is remove the center nozzle out of every foot. So you've got the 3 on this foot here, you can pull this out and plug it, and that will help get bar pressure up a little while still allowing you to have a number 4 that's not going to plug as easy. So really with the seal coat truck, 4s, 5s, and 6s is where you're going to have the best luck. I guess the other key difference here on a seal coat truck is the Y strainer. We use a 3/16 strainer on that as opposed to an 1/8 or 3/32 like we would on a standard emulsion truck.